It's the first project off of the CNC for cabinetry. It's made with a 3/4 plastic laminate layup, adjustable Hafele legs. They're 6 foot long each, about 13 inches deep. They'll get a custom cushion put on the top of these, but they're ready to go. First step on production is to get our parts cut on our Biesse CNC Rover. We're using a two-sided plastic laminate, 3/4 final thickness. We're going to be able to do 6-sided machining on this, so we'll have a couple of flip operations. There's a total of 3 sheets needed for the 3 units we have to build. You'll see that I'll be vacuuming off the spoil board in between sheets, get it clear of the dust and ready for the next sheet to be machined. Here's a quick shot of us using the edge bander to edge band the parts. In this shot, you see the tops and bottoms going through. We're using a 1mm PVC edge banding on our SEMI Olympic 360. This is the Amana countersink with adjustable stop. Just loosen that hex bolt right there, and this will slide back and forth to get the proper adjustment. But this works really well. Nice, clean, consistent countersinks every time. I think it's about $30 or $40. Now we're moving on to assembly. We're using roux glue here for our connection points. This is blind dado construction, and we're putting in the partitions. The partitions flush out with the front face, and they leave a 3/4 gap in the back for the full 3/4 inch back side. We're using, like I said, roux glue and screws. All the holes are being pre-drilled so we don't split apart the particle board. Now you can see that I'm adding glue to the top of the partitions. Going to put the top side on and start getting all the dados lined up, and we start screwing them down as well once we get everything flushed out on the front edge. Here we're adding glue to the backs of the partition edges, getting ready to place the 3/4 back onto the cabinet. Once again, screws are used to secure the back to the top and bottom. We do have a cushion going on this, so all the screws do get covered up. Once we have the left and right ends on, then we apply these pipe clamps to clamp the whole assembly together and let it dry for a few hours. Okay, we're in the shop today working on a martial arts bench project. We're using these Hafele adjustable legs. We're mounting the plates. What I want to show you is VIX bits. These are self-centering drill bits basically. They work really well, been using them for many years. Has a drill bit in there meant for the screw size you're using. This little plunger here clears out the wood chips, and you get your hole centered on your mounting plate hole each time. Use them with door hardware quite a bit, hinges, door sets, stuff like that. This particular set here is it's a 3-piece set, and it's made by Snappy. Last step, apply the 6 adjustable Hafele feet to the bottom. As you saw in the last step, we were showing you we use the VIX bit to pre-drill all our holes and then mount accordingly. Fairly straightforward process. Go smooth with the using the VIX bits to center our holes.